In this video, you'll discover how to convert your smartphone into a pro video camera. We live in an incredible time of human history. We live in a time where you can sit at your computer, make a quick video and potentially impact the lives of millions of people around the world. Think about that for a moment. You can share your thoughts and ideas, help people solve their biggest business or personal problems, generate income, and ultimately make the world a better place. In order to have this kind of impact, however, you do need to master a few basic skills relating to creating video. In this handy cheat sheet, you'll discover how to convert your smartphone into a professional video camera that is capable of producing high-quality videos so you can more effectively share your message with the world. So pull up a chair, turn the page and let's get started. Here are the 3 most important things you need to create high-quality videos. In the past, to create high-quality videos you needed a fancy video studio, a complicated lighting setup, expensive microphones and a whole team of post-production audio and visual experts. But today, things are very different. With a bit of effort and practice, most businesses and individuals can produce high-quality videos quickly and easily without spending a fortune. The secret to creating high-quality videos is to focus on 3 things which you can easily remember using the acronym CAL, which stands for Camera, Audio, Lighting. Get these 3 things right and your videos will immediately look professional and stand out from the crowd. So let's now take a closer look at each of these aspects of creating video in more detail. Your camera. Photographers often say that the best camera is the one you have with you. And with the advent of smartphones, this saying is truer than ever. If your smartphone is less than 5 years old, it probably has a very good built-in camera that is capable of capturing high-definition video. If your goal is to create engaging videos for social media, your smartphone really is all you need to get started. Now you might be thinking, I've tried shooting videos on my smartphone and they really didn't turn out very well. Well, if your videos don't look or sound great, it's probably due to your audio and lighting setup rather than your phone's camera. If you combine a great mic and good lighting with your smartphone, you'll have everything you need to create great videos for social media. Your audio. The biggest difference between an amateur video and a pro video is usually the quality of the audio. Most cameras, even expensive cameras, don't have great microphones. So if you want to create high-quality videos, one of the best things you can invest in is a good quality microphone. If you're using your smartphone to capture video, the mic we recommend is the Rode SmartLav Plus. This is a small lapel mic that you can wear on your clothes which plugs straight into many popular smartphones. For example, with my iPhone, I simply plugged it into the headphone dongle and it was ready to go. The SmartLav Plus is also compatible with many Android phones. Check the link in the description below for details. This mic costs about $60 and is a fantastic way to add high-quality audio to your videos. One thing to note is that the lead that comes with the mic is quite short, so if you want to run it through your clothes to your phone on a tripod you might need to buy the 6 meters long extension cord that is made for the mic. Your lighting. The third component you need to create great videos using your smartphone is a good source of light. In the past this used to mean buying big bulky softboxes, but these days there are some great options which are small, portable and drastically reduce the friction associated with creating videos. Our current favorite is the small M150 LED panel from Godox. What we really like about this is that it attaches to a tripod, has a clip that holds your smartphone and only costs about $50. When you combine your smartphone's camera, a good quality lapel mic like the Rode SmartLav Plus and a light source like the Godox M150, you'll have a small, portable package that delivers fantastic results. Bonus tip. How to look like a pro on camera. One of the hardest things to do on camera is to recite a long script from memory without making a single mistake. A great way around this obstacle is to use a teleprompter app on your iPhone. The teleprompter app we use is called Prompt Smart Pro. This app allows you to position your script right next to the front-facing camera so that when you read your script it looks as though you are looking directly at the camera. Another feature of this app is that it is voice-controlled, which means the app listens to where you are up to and automatically moves the script as you speak. Our experience with this system is that it usually works okay but can sometimes be a bit unpredictable. If you're going to be making videos regularly, a teleprompter app like this is a massive time saver. It means you can simply write a quick script, import it into the app and usually get your video done in 1 or 2 takes. Pulling it all together. Okay, so you now know how to convert your smartphone into a pro video camera. With a good mic, a small portable light source and a teleprompter app, you'll be all set to create engaging high-quality videos for social media. The final step is to fire up your copy of Content Samurai, upload your video and choose one of the new influencer templates. This will allow you to produce a professional video with captions and B-roll footage with just a few clicks of your mouse. If you don't have your copy of Content Samurai yet, you can try it for free by clicking the link in the description down below.